Hi chefs, I'm Miss Sandy from the Cary Area Public Library. Happy autumn! I'm really looking forward to chillier days, bonfires, crunching leaves, and lots of apples. There's a lot of cutting and using the stove for this recipe, so we'll need a grown-up to help. It will probably take about 20 minutes to make. As always, before we cook, we'll wash our hands and our apples. We'll need our tools, a plastic container or a bag, a sharp knife for cutting up the apples, various measuring spoons, and a regular spoon. And we'll gather our ingredients. Medium to large, crunchy apples, room temperature, Fuji, Gala, or Honeycrisp work well. 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and a tablespoon of butter, unsalted. Cut the apples into chunks. Compost the cores if you can. You don't have to peel them, but you can if you like. Add the brown sugar and spices to the bag. Place the apple chunks in the bag or a plastic container with a good lid. The size depends on how many apples you're using. Make sure it's closed really well. And now the fun part. You get to shake, shake, shake until all those little apples are covered with spices. Next, we'll melt the butter in a nonstick pan over a low heat. Don't let it sizzle before you add the water. Slowly add the water, and then pour the apple mixture into the pan. Cook apples over a medium to low heat for about 10 minutes, stirring regularly because we don't want the brown sugar to burn. Cook until the apples are tender enough to put a fork through. These apples will be hot. Let them sit for a bit before eating, or put them in the refrigerator to eat later. Either way, enjoy.